In this lesson, we are going to configure DHCP on a multifunctional device. First off, what we are going to do is we are going to add a Linksys router, wireless router to be precise, and then 3 generic PCs. We're going to connect up wires to the Ethernet ports from the PCs to the wireless routers. After we do that, we are going to open up the Linksys wireless router and configure it. Now when we open up the configuration of it, we're going to go to the Config tab, and we are going to change the display name from the default name to DHCP enabled router. After we do that, we're going to go into the graphical user interface tab, and we're going to scroll down, just looking at the regular settings that are enabled here and what is default. We're going to change this from 192.168.0.1 to 192.168.5.1, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to save these settings. And we're going to go back up and check and make sure that they have been saved, which they have. And then after that, we are going to go and change the starting IP address from 100 to 25. After that, we are going to go ahead and change the maximum number of users to 75. Settings again, and then ensure that they are correct. After that, we're going to go ahead and close out of that configuration, and we're going to select the first PC, PC0. Once we're inside, we are going to go to the config, fast Ethernet, and we're going to change the IP configuration to DHCP instead of static. Then you'll notice that it populates with a new IP address and subnet mask automatically. Now after that, we're going to go ahead and close out of that window and go into PC1. Once we go inside that, we are going to go into the desktop and into the command prompt. From there, we're going to go type in ipconfig to see if there's anything listed there. And of course there is not. Everything is just default zeros. From here, we're going to go to the config, go back to fast Ethernet, and change DHCP just like we did in PC0. We're also going to do the same to PC2. As you can see, they auto-populate again. From here, we're going to go ahead and go into PC1 underneath desktop and command prompt. We're going to type in ipconfig to see if they changed. And of course they have. From here, we're going to go ahead and do a ping test. First, we are going to ping the Linksys router. So we'll type in ping 192.168.5.1. As you can see, there are no lost packets. Now we're going to go ahead and test the ping of 192.168.5.26, and again, no lost packets. And that is it.